Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Alcatel 3T10 4G. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find Google Classroom. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started. Select the account. Then press on this plus button, join the class. Enter the class code in this pool right here and you should be able to join your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.